me, Phoebe, again, and we're back in another vlog. And today I am going to my betrothal party ceremony, grade 5 and grade 6. Currently we're in the car waiting for the car to cool down, and this is my dress. I already wore this in a photo shoot, so I'm gonna use it again. So I'm gonna see you when I get ready, guys. Guys, I'm back here at my aunt's house, and I'm gonna get my hair and makeup ready.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to
We're done.
Don't move.
Designed by Mamu.
Picture mo siya sa gate,
Designed by Mamu, and then I have this head
Picture taking muna.
Ayun yung paa mo. Ayos mo yung paa mo.
She's not a baby anymore.
Hey guys, it's me again, and I already got myself ready and we're on our way to the registration. I'm super nervous and excited at the same time. I got my hair and makeup and accessories by Mamu and Kaka. I appreciate their help so much for this entire look, and I'm gonna go to the venue now, guys. I'm super excited.
Ito dito yung venue sa Madera. Ayan na yung venue.
I'm done in my betrothal party, and nakita mo naman na masaya ako, mapawas na ako, and nagulo na yung hair ko. Guys, it's me, Phoebe, and we're here at Rib Sarap, and we're just waiting for our order. I ordered Tiempo, Mommy, and Ate Diana ordered the rib solely, right? Ano order ni Daddy?
Ribs with Hungarian.
Ribs with Hungarian. So I bring my sketchbook and I'm just drawing here. Well, Heather's say hi, it's me, Heather. Say hi. So guys, our order arrived. So we ordered some fries and some ketchup. This is our first order, and then we ordered extra rice and some iced tea.
Extra rice. Kanino extra rice?
Extra rice. Okay, taste test. Let's dip some ketchup, blow it out since it's so hot.
One more. You try. Oh, you try. Nagtatawa lang kami Ate Diana.
Get ka na lang. Another one. Guys, our sisig is here. Ano yan?
Andrew's here na.
Hey, Steph!
Nice.
Hi guys, we're here at Pagudpod, Ilocos Norte. Biglaan lang to guys. And now we're having our early lunch. We're gonna have our lunch na since our food arrived. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Ang itsura.
So now, we're gonna eat our lunch. We have the rice. And then we have the steak. Steak ba to?
No, fish.
Fish.
Grilled fish.
And grilled chicken. Ay, grilled chicken. Fried chicken.
Hi guys. Bibi. Hi. Ganito kami sa front. Like that. Hintay lang namin yung mga gamit namin na kasi sasakyan. Yun yung mga wind. Grabe 11 hours yung biyahe namin. Pero may stop naman.
Excited?
Haggard na si Heather. Kasi tinan mo kumain niya ng chicken kasi. Tapos lang namin mag-lunch. Hintay lang namin magpapalit na kami ng swimming suit. Ibigyan lang Hi ate! Swimming na si ate. Huwag masyadong lumayo dyan lang. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Medyo mataas yung water. Marami nang lumalangon. May araw pero hindi ganun kasakit sa balat kasi parang makulimlim. Parang ang uulan. Yung cottage namin. Ha? Oo. Ayun, may nagbabanana. Araw siya, pero hindi masakit sa balat. Parang makulimlim. Parang uulan pa nga. Hanggang dyan lang. Ako ang swimming ko hanggang dito lang. Yun na yung swimming sa akin. Nakakatakot. Di ba lang yung water? Tama lang siya. Saka ang ganda ng sand. Kahit hindi siya super clean. Pagod. Ayan na, baby! Ano kayo tumapak? Ayan na!
Alis si daddy mo.
Bakit?
Nandiyan na po ata sila.
Hindi, pupunta ako doon. Oo. Ano yun? Swimming na sila.
The next morning.
kami sa ano eh. Kay Kabigan ba? Kabigan Falls. Kumain muna kami dito. May liligpit na sila daan. Akyat na kami. At nauuna pa talaga si Phoebe. 10 minutes daw po. 10 minutes. Hindi ka? Hindi pa man nag-i-start, pagod na agad ako. Wala pa sa kanila. Bye! Nag-i-start pa lang tayo, napapagod na agad ako. Ate, ano?
Because no littering.
Yes.
Guys, don't forget to don't litter because it's not safe for the sea animals kasi kahit walang sea animals dito.
Sa bundok gaga. Ayun si ate ang aming tour guide. May bayad dito 40 per head. Hindi ko lang alam doon kung meron.
Baka mahuli si Heather!
Yan sila. Naku.
Kaya yan, lalaki ng tabi yan eh. Parang ang ganda din eh. Yung mga baka siguro hindi magugustuhan.
Ayun na yung falls. Nakita na namin. Oh my God. Nakapagod. Heather, baby.
Ito na mami. Hi, say hi mami.
Tatay Edgar.
Yun ka na. Ayoko din.
Ano? Dalawang mahilig. Bunso dito lang. Ah? Gusto mo rin, ah?
Kasi naginaw na.
Naka-video to eh.
The next morning.
Bili kami ng kasalubong. Kasalubong. Ito, saging. Saging daw siya. Tapos ito. Ano yan? Pan? Parang ano? Ikaw? Tapos tinikman namin yung bagoong sa mangga. Sarap. pag-uwi. So, padas. Garlic chili. Bagoong. Chili oil. Tsaka itong tinitikman ko. Para siyang tira-tira. Tira-tira talaga. Parang binalungkot lang.
So we're here at...
Vegan. Sa Calle Cresologo.
So anong gagawin natin dito?
Mag-ride tayo doon.
Mag-raid kami doon, no? Over there.
Yan yung ano.
Sa Intramuros, 1,000 isang ikot. Ay, ride. Tapos dito naman, 200.
Dadaanan daw natin yung bahay ni Padre Burgos.
Who's that?
Manood ka kasi na. May horse na daw. Naging ganda nung mga...
Promise, guys, nakikinig ako sa AP picture namin. Promise. So, hintayin muna namin si Wallet. Ay, si Daddy. Si Daddy, hindi Wallet. Daddy namin. Siyempre. Joke lang. I know. The Girl Scouts of the Philippines. Oh my gosh. Ay, ang arte naman. And we're just waiting for Daddy.
I want to ride the bus.
And Heather, say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Yeah. And I think Dad is just talking to his friends. So, yeah. Lumang.
Ayan na nga lumang bahay.
Oh, ikaw na lang maging si Maria Clara. Ha?
Uuwi na.
Oh.
Uwi na kayo, Tay?
Ay, Diyos ko. Pagod yung mga horses today. Nandito na naman kami. Saan kaya si Dad? The other Kalesa will be Daddy and his friends. And in this Kalesa is me, Mommy, Mother, and Ate Diana. So we're here now. We're going na. They're going na. So fun. So really fun. You love? You like it? First time ride. Kalesa. Wala
Yung
siyang
nasa harap man, yan po yung National Museum.
Ay,
Diyan
sarado.
pinanganak si Father Burgos.
Ah, okay. Sarado na.
Martes hanggang Linggo open yan mo. Every Monday sarado po.
Ah, sayang. Di natin inabutan.
9 ng umaga.
National Museum. Sayang. Doon daw pinanganak si Padre Burgos.
Ano sa Padre Pio? Burgos? Sabi mo na,
Nakikinig na sa 80 ha. Ang ganda dito. Oh. You like this? Sakay sa horse? Wow. Sa'yo yung kabayo, kuya.
Ako nga.